morning, guys. Well, it's not morning anymore. It's 2:40, but I've been cleaning all morning, so I have not had a chance to update. So clean my entire house, scrub down counters, laundry, feeling really good about progress. But now I'm going to go and do my 2-mile run and my weight training and kind of get that out of the way for the day. I've got a couple more little bits to do around the house. I need to clean my bird's cage.
What you doing?
And I don't know. We'll go from there and I'll see. I have no plan today. Tomorrow will be the more interesting day. I'm having my hair done, like natural color. That was what my smudge root was. And then my beigey blonde that I was for the fall. So I'm thinking about more platinum and cool tones, but we'll see. I've got to talk to my hairdresser when I get there in the morning. So tomorrow will be the fun day. I'm also going to see the new Jane Austen movie, Emma, and I'm really excited about it. That is one of my favorite Jane Austen books. We're gonna go out to eat tomorrow, so tomorrow will be the fun day. Today's just kind of chill. Ben's at work, so I'm doing all my little homey bits, cleaning, laundry, that kind of thing. And yeah, that's kind of what we're doing today. So I'm gonna go do a quick workout and I'll be back with you. This is just an Under Armour sports bra. I think these are Danskin leggings. I can't remember. I think that's what they are. They're like Danskin peach leggings. And then I just wear like an old pair of Nikes and my Apple Watch, my AirPods, and my phone. So we will go and get that done and all right, so this is what I use for my protein shakes. This is a really simple one. I do the unsweetened original Almond Breeze almond milk. I use super advanced whey protein. It calls for 2 scoops to give 60 grams of protein, but I don't need that much. So I do 1 scoop and just do my 30 grams. And I like the cookies and cream or the chocolate. I think it's chocolate peanut butter. And then my super cute pink blender bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that, and I think probably chop up some kiwi and some grapes and maybe some strawberries and just do a very small fruit salad and just kind of chill the rest of the night until Ben gets home. I managed to rip a hole in my fucking forehead with my fingernail. Way to go, Taylor. Smooth. Real smooth. So tonight I'm making chicken yakisoba. I've made it a couple times before, but tonight I'm gonna make it with shirataki noodles. Just a little bit healthier and try to make it a little bit cleaner. I'm not gonna change up anything else other than the noodles, and I'm gonna use low sodium soy. And I'm so excited. It is one of my very favorite things to make. And I'm ready. It's delicious. Good morning, guys. It is 7:30 in the morning and I'm awake. But seriously, I'm about to go get my hair cut, so I'm not doing anything with it today. I just pulled it back into a little bun. I've got to be there at 9. I'm gonna do really quick makeup and put pants on. We're gonna go to Island Wing and have dinner. And yeah, that's pretty much the plan for today. So let's get going. Can we just talk about the coverage of this? This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk, and because I am Casper, I use 520 Fair. This is probably the best light to medium coverage foundation that I've ever used. I'm completely in love with it. I'm going to get 2 more shades. It's so light coverage, you can't even tell you're wearing it, but it's still super moisturizing and looks really, really, really dewy. Like 100% would recommend to everybody and their mom. All right, guys, that is me done. This is literally all I'm doing. I can't believe I fucking did that. So I need to go and finish getting dressed, and then we will get going down to Gulf Shore so I can get my hair done. I feel so much better as a vanilla or platinum blonde, and it feels so good. Like, I liked the color I had for fall, the beigey blonde, but I feel so much better with like this creamy melted vanilla, like baby blonde. Feeling like my most true self, feeling so good. But I ran a couple of errands. Me and Ben had lunch at Island Wing, and now we're just on the way home. We're gonna try to watch a couple more episodes of Don't Fuck with Cats. If you haven't watched it, highly recommend. It is one of the most disturbing and weird stories that I've ever seen. We're gonna get home, we're gonna do that, and I'll update you guys a little bit later. Excuse me. Excuse me. You laying on me? He absolutely hates the parrot. And the parrot is gonna sit there and stalk him. All right, guys, so I have just finished Don't Fuck with Cats, and it was disgusting, horrifying, horrendous, made me want to puke. I don't know what else to say. It's only 3 episodes. Each episode is an hour long, but it was really just, it was disturbing. Just, but seriously, it is worth a watch. It was really good, but horrifying all at one time. I do highly recommend if you like any kind of crime shows, but that's pretty much it from me. I'm gonna get ready and go to bed. I will see you guys next time.